When you think of precision parts, you're thinking CNC. And it all started with this: three-axis machining, the backbone of modern manufacturing. CNC, or computer numerical control, was first introduced in the 1950s and has since become the foundation of modern manufacturing. CNC is a subtractive manufacturing method. It creates parts by removing material from solid blocks. It plays a key role in prototyping and on-demand production across a wide range of industries. What is three-axis CNC machining? In three-axis CNC machining, the cutting tool moves along three linear directions, X, Y, and Z. The workpiece remains stationary while the tool shapes it through milling, drilling, or contouring. This method is perfect for flat surfaces and 2D or 2.5D geometries. Key benefits of three-axis machining: 1. It's cost-effective, perfect for prototyping and high-volume production. 2. It's easy to program and operate, helping reduce lead times. 3. It's precise and repeatable, delivering consistent part quality. 4. It's versatile, ideal for flat surfaces, pockets, holes, and 2.5D profiles. When you don't need multi-axis complexity, three-axis machining gets the job done, fast and reliably. Applications and use cases: you'll find three-axis machined parts everywhere, from aluminum brackets and plastic housings to jigs, fixtures, and panels. It's widely used in electronics, robotics, automotive, and consumer product manufacturing. Whether you need a quick prototype or a full production run, we bring together cutting-edge equipment, skilled engineers, and strict quality control to meet your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.